Good morning. I'm Dr. Preeti Nair. I'm Senior Consultant Pulmonology and Critical Care Specialist, presently working in Trivandrum, Kerala. I would like to speak on air pollution and lung diseases. You can see how air pollution is affecting the air quality index and air quality of city, where there is heavy smog, smoke, and dust particles all mixed together to form the smog, and where the city skyline is seen hazy, and the trees, plants, everything, they're finding it difficult to breathe. Protect your lungs, breathe clean. Why should we care about air pollution? Air pollution affects millions of people every day. Tiny harmful particles enter deep into the lungs. Lung disease patients are especially vulnerable. Pollution worsens the breathing problems and quality of life. So you can see how there is a problem with the breathing quality of life. Air pollution is one of the major concerns, health concerns worldwide now. Common source of air pollution. What is air pollution actually? Vehicle smoke, traffic emissions, industrial pollution, construction dust, burning garbage and biomass, and cigarette smoke. So you have a whole city where there is indoor pollution also from poor ventilation, outside pollution because of industrial smoke, traffic pollution, burning biomass, plastic waste, etc. Air pollution comes from many different sources. How air pollution affects the lung? What happens inside the lungs? Tiny particles enter the airways, inflammation develops, your lung becomes black with coal particles and soot and dust particles, inflammation develops, and your airways becomes narrow and irritated. Oxygen exchange becomes less efficient, so you have less oxygen in your bloods, which can cause heart disease, chronic respiratory diseases, sinusitis, chronic rhinitis, allergic rhinitis, and this can lead to heart diseases and stroke. Cough, wheezing, symptom of breathlessness, and chest tightness is there. So you have where the people are finding it difficult to breathe, where the air is filled with soot, black dust, and it is fully covered with black spots in the lungs because of all the smoke and pollutants, and you need a mask to walk around in the city, and you have to get breathlessness, which needs a treatment by a pulmonologist with inhalers, etc. What do you happen when we inhale polluted air? Disease are worsened by pollution. Lung disease commonly worsened asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, bronchitis, allergic airway disease, lung fibrosis, and respiratory infections. So you have smoke, and then which leads to use of increased inhalers. You need mask to breathe in the air. Patients with asthma and COPD can it causes worsening of the disease. Long-term health risks are that chronic exposure can cause reduced lung function, frequent infection, chronic respiratory disease, lung cancer, heart disease. So you can see how the pollutants get into the lung, and this can lead to small particle deposit, which can ultimately lead to lung disease, and which can lead to chronic irritant to the lungs, can lead to lung cancer. Long-term exposure to pollution. Who is at the most at risk? High risk group: children, elderly individuals, smokers, patients with asthma, COPD, outdoor workers, pregnant women. Children and elderly individuals are particularly affected. How to protect your lungs? Use N95 mask during heavy pollution. Avoid outdoor exercise near traffic. Keep indoor air clean. Stay hydrated. Avoid smoking. Take prescribed inhalers regularly. Simple preventive measures. Clean air matters. Healthy lungs need clean air. Awareness is important, prevention is important, small lifestyle changes help. Protect the vulnerable family members. Like your lungs it needs greenery, because of green plants can give oxygen into the air. You need to protect by sanitizing your hand and using face masks. So prevent, save your lungs. You should not have all the pollution going into the lung. Protecting our lungs starts with awareness. Thank you, Dr. Preeti Nair, Pulmonology and Critical Care. Save your lungs, put more greenery around the park, etc., and make your lung healthy and pink. Put more green outside so your lungs are healthy and pink.